So on my way home from work with Braden, doing some skids and stuff, and then coming down a main road, and there's a undercover sitting on the side of the road. 2 minutes later, he comes blasting down behind us, pulls me over. Pretty much I'm about to get defected for my windscreen, pod filter, my battery's loose, and bulb tires, so I'm gonna get fucking raped. Okay, so that guy was an absolute legend. He gave me one ticket, and that was it. Let me off. Oh, he got sideways! What a mad cunt! Okay, so he said he loves car enthusiasts, blah blah. He likes my car. The modifications I have on it that aren't. He just pulled someone else over. Oh. So the unenclosed pod filter, it's illegal. He can't just let that slip. So he's put that down as a ticket. $170. $183. And that'll stay on like the record of my car, so that if he ever sees it again, it's unenclosed, whatever, he'll pull me over, ticket me again. He said he doesn't do defects because people just clear it and then put the old stuff back on. He'd rather just keep giving me fines until you actually fix it. Bloke seemed like a genuine bloke. He could have got me for a cracked windshield, bulb tyres on the rear, mismatching tyres, 18s on the front, 15s on the rear. It's low as fuck, it's loud as fuck, unenclosed pod, battery, and he literally just done the pod filter and that was it. And I was previously done like a year ago in this car for the battery twice in 1 week because I didn't have the mount. And now I got the mount installed, put it on the battery, and it's moved away from the mount, and now it's just sliding around free. But yeah, basically, he said pretty much just get it back to roadworthy conditions as much as I can. And yeah, that was it really. The guy was a fucking legend. I thought I was gonna get defected and have to like strip the car back to fucking factory spec and shit, but no, that was awesome.